Okay, for this video we're going to be identifying, using this human torso to identify arteries. First artery that we have to identify is our ascending aorta. And this heart fits in here like this. And here's our ascending aorta. Right there, 221. And our ascending aorta branches out to our aortic arch, which is 282. And then the brachiocephalic branches off in the opposite direction, is 236. And our left common carotid is 249, so it's right here. So this is our aortic arch. Our brachiocephalic is right here, and our left common carotid is right there. So 249 is your left common carotid. And then our subclavian is 272. So if you think about your clavicles, it's kind of running where your clavicles would be. So clavian clavicles. So this, you got to remember, you got to orientate this like it was you. So this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. So your left subclavian is going to be right here, and your right subclavian is going to be here. So left is 272 and right is 237. Our descending aorta comes down from the aortic arch, and it doesn't have a number here, but our aortic arch is here, so our descending aorta would be as soon as it starts to descend or come down. Our next one is our celiac, and we could not find this on the actual number key that goes to this model, but from what we can gather from the actual images of the book is it's right here, right about at 287 would be your celiac, and that's up until further notice. Don't hold me to that. Our renal arteries are left and our right side. Here we go. So they're branching off. And our right side, I'm sorry, those are our gonadal. We gotta go renal, right here. Arteries, 325. See that? 325, that since that's your left-hander side of your body, that's going to be your left renal artery, and your right is going to be over here, 321. And then our next one is our superior mesenteric. It's right here, 304. And our next one is our gonadal, and that's this weird one, 327. So that's your left gonadal artery, and your right would extend down this way. Your inferior mesenteric is right here. So 315, right there where my finger's pointing. The next one is your common iliac. And your common iliac is 330 for your right hand side. And for your left hand side, it's 348. And then your internal iliac is 338, so it kind of branches off, goes inside internal. And this would be your right one, and your left one would branch off right here and go inside. And then our external iliac is 331, external meaning like towards the outside. And then this would be our right external iliac, and our left one would be here. So this is your left external iliac. And then our femoral, our right and left side is right here. This would be our right, which is 332. And our left would be 352. And that's the arteries that we need to know.